Do you know what is small, round, and loud? It's the Lenovo L01 speaker. Keep watching to know everything about this small and powerful speaker. Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today I have here the L01 speaker from Lenovo for our honest and impartial review. Keep watching to know more about this amazing speaker. Meanwhile, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified when we have new videos. And please don't be shy, leave a comment below. No more delays, let's see this mini speaker from Lenovo. Okay, let's take this out. So in the box we have a speaker. You can see it's very small. We have a bracelet, a charging cable, and some papers. So let's see what this is. This is the certificate of approval. I have here what seems to be a user manual or warning instructions or something like that. It's all in Chinese. And we have here also, this should be the user manual with what's included, and also in Chinese. Okay. It's all in Chinese. Goddamn, not even English. Oh, God. So we have here bracelets. I'm not very good trying to put this on devices, but let's see if I can manage to get this. Okay, we have already everything set up. So this speaker comes in several colors: black, white, pink, blue, red, and so on. You get the idea. A lot of colors. The one I got is red, as you can see, and it is really pretty with this matte finish. It measures 45 millimeters diameter by 48 millimeters height. Has a built-in microphone, volume control, and uses Bluetooth version 5.0. The manufacturer says it can play until 33 feet, about 10 meters distance, on a frequency from 20 to 200 kHz. It's supplied with 400 milliamps battery that takes 1 hour to fully charge, and it should work for 3 to 5 hours, but our test it was more like 2.5 hours. Lenovo claims that is IPX5 water resistant. That means that you cannot take this inside water, but it will resist without a problem to some raindrops over the speaker. To test the sound, I will now get my Surface and connect the speaker to see how it behaves. Stay put. Okay, I have here already the Surface. Let me just show you from the top. This is in Portuguese, it's my native language. Right now, I will turn this off. As you can see, it speaks Chinese. As any Bluetooth device, you turn on and keep pressing the power. It will start a small light blinking. And right now we are able to detect, it's in search mode. We are able to detect here the device. So I will add a Bluetooth device. Have here Lenovo. And that's it. Easy, 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 easy. So let's turn this on. I will now play some music. To see, I have here several styles, and to see how it handles the bass and the high pitch and the low pitch. Let's see what we have here. sorry. This is at the maximum power right now, but you don't see any disturbance in the sound. Pretty good. Really good, the sound. Let's try another different kind of music. And the thing is, this is pretty small and it doesn't have any jitter. It does not sound will not break. It's amazing. In the bass, in the low frequencies, in the high frequencies, it works very well. Let's see another one. Yeah, amazing. And I'm impressed, and I didn't say because I'm so impressed. And there are a lot of speakers that has good sound like this one, or even better. The thing is, for this size and this price, this is amazing. This little speaker costs about $12, $12 to $13, 14. It depends a little where you are buying and how much the delivery cost will be. This one in euros, it was about 10 euros. So pretty amazing. I can stop the music and stop it here. It has also a rubber base that will not allow you the speaker to get out of the place it is. And yeah, I really love this. It's small, it's awesome, and very nice sound. Yeah. Okay, I hope this review was useful for you or to you. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the section below, and don't be shy. Please write. I will answer every question that here, or I will try at least. There are many to answer, but anyway, don't be shy. Please leave your comment below, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in our next video, and stay safe. See you again. Bye bye.